Wakey, 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 it's time for school.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy.
Lick my ball!
Shut your fucking mouth!
I've never seen that symbol before.
South Carolina is gone.
What'd you find? A human sent you without a communication relay and reformatted your memories to soup. Lick. Covering their tracks means they're past. Not like they tried negotiating with my mom.
Shut the fuck up, you nasty bitch. I don't know how the fuck you jumping my son, you little nasty ass nigga. Shut your little bitch ass up, you dirty bitch. Who the fuck is this long head ass, long jawbreaker looking ass nigga named Miss Mary? Shut your little bitch ass up, you ugly ass nigga, you dirty as shit, bitch. I don't get a fuck nigga, you dirty ass, you greasy cheese bucket body with ass nigga, you fat as shit, bitch. Shut your stupid ass up, bitch.
Eating bread in an hour.
Oh my god, bro.
Can you imagine going to... I'm alone.
I'd be all like...
Shut the fuck.